Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. So first of all, what you have to do is open mail.yahoo.com and sign in with your Yahoo account. Now once you're signed in, what you have to do is click on the three dotted button which is on the bottom left side. So click on it and click on settings. A new tab will open. Now from here what you have to do is find switch to old Yahoo Mail. From here you will see this under Yahoo Mail Plus. Click on switch to old Yahoo Mail, and that's it. You will be switched back to the classic view of the classic Yahoo Mail. So if you ever wanted to go back to the newer version of the Yahoo Mail, for instance, so what you have to do is click on the try it out button, which is on the top right corner just under upgrade now. Click on try it out and you will be headed back towards the new Yahoo Mail of the whatever version it is. So that's basically how you can change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.